what is the patented self-healing tech in the DCA?
Yeah, in a dusty country like India, it's very likely that dust gets into the transmission. You are seeing that in India, people are not believing that the diesel has a very bright future.
And so what kind of performance difference is there between the Hyperion with the DCA and the manual transmission? In this latest episode of Under the Hood, sir, I would like you to address some technical aspects and questions around the Curvv ICE. So stay tuned as we go have a deep dive into the Curvv ICE. And so what kind of performance difference is there between the Hyperion with the DCA and the manual transmission?
So the Hyperion engine, when it is mated to manual transmission or when it is mated to the automatic, has same characteristics.
Okay.
So both of them have the same 125 horsepower and 225 Newton meter torque.
So just because someone is going in for the DCA for their daily runs also doesn't mean that they are compromising on their top end performance or anything like that. Everything remains the same for all customers across. And sir, is the DCA a wet clutch system or a dry clutch system?
Yeah, so being in India, you cannot have a DCA running successfully with a dry clutch.
Yep.
So we had to make sure that this is a wet clutch system.
Correct.
Okay, and therefore it's also provided with all the technology that is required for it to make sure that it can run in India.
Correct, sir, because as a lot of people are now buying automatics, the awareness is growing, and slowly people are now, coming to the fact that maybe there is a certain way to drive these automatics also. And then you have these concerns coming up कि अरे double clutch system में dry clutch होता है, तो उसको आप you should put it in neutral when on a red light or something like that, which people think कि मेरी गाड़ी ज़्यादा चलेगी इस चीज़ से. So that is not something that Curvv owners will have to be worried about.
So that worry should not be there at all with anyone who buys Curvv, because this is a wet clutch system and you don't have to worry.
One thing more, piqued my interest, sir, was that what is the patented self-healing tech in the DCA?
Yeah. So what it means is that, say, when you run this dual clutch transmissions in a dusty country like India, it's very likely that dust gets into the transmission, and most likely it will also enter the hydraulic system.
Yep.
When this happens, it is likely to clog the valves that are very, very sensitive for the proper functioning of the DCA. So with the self-healing technology, we are able to make sure that extra oil is pumped at the valve in which a particle has been detected to dislodge the particle and then take it right up to the filter and then trap it there. So this way the clutch remains very, very trouble-free.
Okay. Is there any an expected lifespan for these clutches in the DCA?
Oh, they're pretty long. Don't worry at all.
Okay. So moving forward, I would like to ask what led you guys to making the decision of offering the DCA in the diesel version as well? Because of course that is the segment first. That is not something we.
So see, normally you are seeing that in India people are not believing that the diesel has a very bright future. Because of which people tend to not provide the most advanced technologies when it comes to diesel cars. So we wanted to overcome that because we are seeing that the diesel is going to have a longer life in India, especially in the SUV segments. And to show our confidence, we have also made sure that we are providing a DCA kind of transmission along with the diesel engine in our Curvv.
And thank you so much, Mohan sir, for giving us your time, for inviting our team to test out the Curvv SUVs. And I'll see you in the next one.
Pleasure.
Nice
meeting you.
Thank you.